Hi, I'm Brian, novice pilot and beginner filmmaker. Follow me as I fly my J3 Kitten and Model 4 Kit Fox around southern Wisconsin and beyond.
Alright, good morning everybody. Been a while since I put together a video, and also been a while since I've done a little dawn patrol. So, it's early morning. I am taking the kitten for a little spin before work. If my boss ends up watching this, sorry if I'm late for our 8 o'clock meeting. Just thought I'd throw that out there to begin with. Actually, my boss is pretty cool. If I could probably tell him I was out flying and I'd get a pass. So, anyway, yeah, I don't have a lot of fuel. Just going to go up for a quick spin around the neighborhood. 15, 20-minute flight. Sun's just coming up. And, no wind. This is absolutely my favorite time of day to fly. Air's still cool. Usually it's pretty glass smooth, so. Alright, looks like everything's up to temperature. And let's go for a little ride. That's our traffic, J3 Kitten ultralight, departing runway 36. Heading to the north. Better. Alright, temperatures are good. Here we go. Now we're coming up. Doors are secure. Yep, let's get on the runway. Airspeed's alive. For 40, and we're going to rotate. We'll keep it in the ground effect a little bit. Get some airspeed built up, and here we go. Climbing out at around 45. Like, ultralight isn't the fastest thing on the neighborhood, but sure is fun to cruise around at just above treetop level and look at the scenery. Alright, we're going to kind of level out here, right about 500 feet above the ground. That's the nice thing about this area too. flying an ultralight, you're always looking for a place to land if something goes wrong. Lots of farm fields up here, especially in the spring. Got lots of options if, you know. Yeah, just off the nose is the old Columbus 151 Speedway. Actually turned that into a law enforcement training facility to teach different driving tactics and stuff. Kind of fun. Kind of neat to do some hot laps in a police car. We'll fly over that and just check it out. How are we doing on time? Oh, we're doing good. Checking fuel. I don't have a lot of fuel on board. I've only got, you know, a couple gallons. Again, it's an ultralight, 5-gallon tank. Wow, you can't even really see the old track. Huh. Alright. We're going to go ahead and head to the south a little bit. I don't want to get too far away. Like I said, don't have a lot of time. Probably can't see it in the camera, but you can see Madison off to the east here. Excuse me, off to the west. Probably get my bearings right. I'll take a picture of that. Let's see what the weather's doing. The wind's changed at all. Oh, no wind. Oh, fuel. So yeah, we're right above the airport right now, so again, wasn't planning on traveling too far. Passive traffic, J3 Kitten ultralight, quarter flight into the field, 1,800. Yes, sir. Alright, temperatures are still really good. We'll go a little bit to the south here, and then again, we don't have any wind, so just to change things up, I might, I'll set up for a left downwind for 1-8, then I'll be right at my hangar. I'll shoot down by Marshall a little bit. Still looking good on fuel. Right, airport's off behind me to the right, so let's set up for a downwind for 1-8. Winds are supposed to change and come to the south, so man, it's absolutely glass smooth, hands off flying today. This is awesome. Air traffic, J3 Kitten ultralight, entering a left downwind for 1-8, back there. Temperatures are still really good. We're a beam of numbers. Start our descent. Air traffic. J3 Kitten ultralight turning left base runway 18. Panther. Air traffic, J3 Kitten ultralight turning final runway 18, full stop. Panther. I don't even have to slip it at all. This looks pretty good. I'm going to land a little long, get a little closer to my hangar. Alright, a few bumps in here. Aha, look at that. 15, 20-minute flight. We have time to put the plane away, clean it up. The nice thing about working from home, 20 minutes from the office, from here. cool off. Forgot about that. Well, thanks everybody for flying along. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Just like everybody else says, click the little bell if you want notification. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, the beauty of the ultralight is quick little flights are no big deal. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.